Hello everyone, we are here today to show you how to register for digital SAT and let's get started. First of all, we will go to collegeboard.org and create an account here. When you go on create an account, you'll have to fill in your academic details, name, email ID, contact detail, parents information, and you'll be done with the account. I do have a dummy account and I'll just be using that. Once you log in, you will see your name at the top, and first option would be my SAT. If you have appeared for if you have taken SAT before, you will get to see your score by clicking on there. If not, by clicking on my SAT, you will get this option on register for the SAT. When you click on this, you will get redirected to your information, contact information, and school information. So clicking on getting started, your name and your school information, graduation year. So in what particular year are you expected to complete your 12th grade, and gender and contact information and basic consent. Once you fill in all the details and confirm it, you are good to continue ahead. Now from this page onwards, they'll be seeking a lot of details from you. It's not necessary to mark all of these details, just the required field and to best of your knowledge. Even if somehow you mark a couple of areas wrong here, it will not have any impact on your score or on your reporting of score to the college. And also keep this in mind, your parents and guardian detail you'll have to fill in. Now from student profile view here on this page, they will be asking you certain details for college services. So in which they, share your information with the colleges and they get to contact with you. You get to search for different colleges and if you would want to report your score to them, you get to do that. But here I am keeping it, that is, I'm not opting on for it. So continue. This column, they're just seeking certain information that are you planning to appear for APs or not. So, even if you mark no and go ahead and take APs, there's no impact. GPA detail, just read through and mark in at best of your knowledge. Subject detail, what all subject, what all topic have you covered in past? Again, if you want to mark, well and good. If you don't, these are not mandate column. Same here, not a mandate. Again, not mandate. Not mandate. Not mandate. Not mandate. These are information on what kind of colleges, what kind of courses are you looking at. Again, not mandate. Here you agree to terms and conditions. You'll have to scroll till bottom point. Agree and continue. Depending upon what region you are registering for, just select that. Select the test date. Find your test center, depending upon what region you live in, and you can navigate through, select the center where you want to appear for the test. Verify. Continue. Here you will have to upload your photo. When you are done uploading your photo, post uploading your photo, you just need to make the payment, checkout page, read the test device criteria, and check on all your informations and make the payment. That is it. Once you have done the registration, you will get to see the confirmation page. Just take a print out of that, and everything is complete here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day ahead.